calling nor texting. Late night, I'm staying up stressing. Girl, I got you on my mind. I swear this happens every time. What about our last fight? Yeah, I know it happened last night. You could put that in the past, right? I'm just trying to live the fast life. What's love without trust, girl? What's love without lust, girl? I've been thinking about us, girl. I've been thinking about. So what do we do now? Everything we built, we broke it. It's all shattered and broken. I can't get you out of my head. It's all falling down. Time that we get going. Things you never told me. I thought you were the one. But I guess things change, girl. Nothing with the finger. I swear it's all the same. There's a difference in interest. I feel it when we're kissing. One day you're here and the next day you're missing. Can we be consistent, girl? Are you even listening? Got me feeling so distant. I'll be gone in an instant. So what do we do now? Everything we built, we broke it. It's all shattered and broken. I can't get you out of my head. It's all falling down. Time that we get going. Things you never told me. I thought you were the one. So what do we do now? Really, I want to know, looking at you in the eyes, even though mine are kind of low, and it's easy to see that something is hurting you so bad. I know that the rhythm and flow that I'm putting on the slow track are gonna make you so sad. Time I was satisfied, answering machine, hearing your name next to mine. So what do we do now? Everything we built, we broke it. It's all shattered and broken. I can't get you out of my head. It's all falling down. Time that we get going. Things you never told me. I thought you were the one. What do we do now? Hey guys, so I'm Bill and Amanda, and thank you guys for watching my cover of Jack and Jack, Distance. I really appreciate that you guys watched it, and please make sure to check out my last cover of Shawn Mendes' Life of the Party. I'm sorry for messing up on my rapping. I know I'm not very good. I thought it would be funny just to post it because I messed up and I thought that was funny. So maybe it's not. Okay. So anyways, so I did make a video of me rapping another song by Jack and Jack, Doing It Right, and I'll post it at the end just so you guys can get a little laugh about me because I'm really dumb. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and follow my social media link. No pretensy notion that you can like us cause your friends don't. Generic like a number 2 pencil. Eventually you will be blowing on a whistle at YMCA leagues every Sunday with your kinfo. And I'm coming around the mountain, I'm just finding my way. And all I really want to do in life is make someone stay and get paid from time to time. All that I'm trying to say is that I can't see why you hate when I'm just doing my thing.